Yeah.
Same one like yesterday?
Oh, yeah. Look. And
No, not here.
one guy here. Oh. Yeah. Never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind. Never mind.
Hey?
Never mind.
Mine.
Mine.
Do you want to get one? Like yesterday? So we get the cake from here
Me.
and the tea from there. Okay, let's go. I'll pay for it, come on.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Okay.
No, it's mine.
I'll get mine then.
Okay, no. Okay, no. Okay. You get no, you get mine. Okay, you get no, you get mine. No. Yeah. There's no, that's mine. There's no, that's mine.
Yeah.
There's no, I've got mine. There's one right. That's fine. No. No fun to take. Yeah.
You gonna do the self-checkout?
That's exactly it. We're going to
The other one.
No, get mine. It's no, get mine. It's sad. Man's sad. Oh. That's not powerful. Doesn't smell like it. Okay. And just south to get it out. And south to go. That's all. Why here? Okay. No, perfect in the middle.
Right, wait a minute. Let me pay for mine first.
No, perfect in mine. After. No, perfect in me after. No, perfect in me after.
Yeah, okay.
Can I come near private? Can I come near private for coming? Yes, no. Can I come near private? Can I come near private? My take it into the into touch point. Oh. Thank you. I need to come in. Finish it, right? And then go ahead. And action.
Action.
Done it now.
Right, scan it. So you have to put it down. That's it. Now you have to pay.
Okay. Take out.
Yeah.
No glass?
No bags. No. Let me just give you the card, the money. No, you have to keep yourself.
Oh,
that's the card. Oops. You have to scan here your next card. There we go.
Cash?
Cash, yeah.
That's cash.
Here, put it in.
There we go. Okay. Okay. That's going to change. Ah, yes. There we go. That's going to change.
Where's the receipt? Oh,
Oh, God.
Lucy.
Can't take it out.
Where's the money now?
Oh, it's not going for.
You're for the money.
Go on. That's it. Oh,
You're dropping all the monies.
oh my God.
Look for the other one. There's somewhere there.
Right. Oh, right here. Ah, yeah.
Oh, is it there?
Ow. Okay. Oh. Right. Oh. That's nice.
Okay, cool.
That's cool. Okay, never mind.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. It makes no difference. You see, they're both the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no, that's mine.
Yeah, take that one. It doesn't matter, you see.
It's mine. It's mine. It has no that's mine. Bye.
Alright, see you later.
Let's go. Oh, okay. I'm trying to know that. And then get my tinkle and talk to that.
That's what you said. A large one.
Large one.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you.
How many do you ship today? And are you still doing a hunter's chicken? I'll have a hunter's chicken, please.
Anything else?
Yeah, a minute. What are you having?
I'll have cheeseburger, please.
I'll just check we've got some.
Yeah.
And then talk proper.
I'll have the same thing, chicken.
Then talk proper.
There's soft drink and
There's the
Okay.
Is there any teapots in there or not? No.
Where's the tinkle?
Teapots.
Excuse me? Hello? Where's tinkle?
How much is your man?
Where's tinkle? That's an increase after.
that is 12.67. It's 12.50 on 50.
Right, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
11.70 is what it is.
So it's 24,
11.70.
11.70 per pound. Right.
Something for you. And now your receipt.
Thank you.
Can my car, yes, now.
We
Yeah.
haven't got any left,
No.
I'm afraid. We've just got the last
Where's
one.
the tinkle? Where's my tinkle? Where's tinkle? Where's tinkle?
Chips, what do they come with?
One
Mayo
tinkle.
and...
Where's
some
my
chips then.
tinkle? Where's tinkle?
Yeah.
Where's tinkle?
Anything else?
Where's tinkle? Where's tinkle? Okay. Where's my tinkle?
1 second, you'll see.
You don't think now.
£1.40. Do you have an extra?
Yeah.
Come here.
That's mine.
Come here. Go. Come here.
Right, now, she wants a teapot, please.
I'll just go see if you've got anything in mind.
Okay. Mine tinkle.
The tea bags are here.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay.
Hang on, she's bringing you a teapot. Look.
Tinkle. No, okay. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
1.30.
Yeah. Go. Can you get my card?
Oi. Yeah.
Let's get my card.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's done. Let's done.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I can look my card.
Give you a pound back on the ice cream. And I need the receipt as well.
Thank you very much.
Let's put my phone. And here's my tea. Here's my tea.
Don't get the sweetener first.
Yeah,
And a
that's good.
spoon.
That's
Each
good.
spoon and another spoon.
Simply, I don't know.
Sweetener and 2 spoons.
Two cream, yes. One cream and a big spoon and small cream for my cup of tea. And small cream. Ah, yes. One thing else is over. Thank you. Okay.
Ready? I'll put the camera there on the tray and then you can go.
Okay. Come on to try. Go.
Okay?
Okay, enjoy. Okay. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you.
Do you want this one? And we just take the three off it.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. That's one. Okay. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it. Let's go to the camera from all crawfish. Let's go to the camera from crawfish.
Okay?
And now access to the 2 metal floor. And now access to 2 metal floor.
Okay.
Okay. So, inside isn't technically enough, but inside is mine. No. Okay, now I'm going to walk now. That's me, I'm walk.
Are you gonna save some for later?
On the half, on the
You can
half.
take it home and have it after dinner.
Take it home? Yeah, and then take it home for me. I'm gonna inside now or later. Okay. So, inside into kitchen now. Inside
You didn't take milk.
Huh?
You have to go and get the milk. You didn't get milk.
I can milk, okay. Oh, sorry. I can milk, okay. I can milk, okay. Okay, you can milk quick. You can milk quick. Okay. Okay.
Take milk.
Milk. Okay.
Oh my God, what are you doing in there, Lucy?
I'm trying to make it. That's okay. You're taking it with me, okay. That's the machine. But it's you know, it's not me. One's not going to that one. I'm doing that. I'm doing that. Okay. Okay. Inside you can check question tonight, inside is mine.
Okay.
Okay. Half or half of it. Half or half. Okay?
Half, Lucy, half. Better to half.
And then I'm sticking up. I'm sticking up. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. What?
I got
Hello.
cheese.
Hello.
Take your number, lovely. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, cheese. And I'm going to go see for lunch from next time. Good to know. Good to know. And I'm going to see for lunch from next time.
Your next card.
Okay, and I'm going to see for lunch from next time. And I'm going to see for lunch from next time.
I don't know, Lucy.
And I'm going to see next time. And I'm going to see. And I'm going to see. And I'm going to see
Yeah?
next time.
Yeah, you
Next
did
time.
it.
And I'm going to see for next time. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Hi. And then take another half from me for later. Oh, I don't think so. I'm going to take a walk now. I'm going to take for later. What I'm taking my house.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hungry from later. Don't now, later. Oh. Go ăn cơm quả, and go ăn cơm quả now.
It's okay, that. That's fine, Lucy.
Don't stop. Don't attack it. I don't think home for me. No, I don't think home for me. Can I take it home? Oh, no.
Yes, of course you can.
Hmm?
You can take it home.
Now, later. Can I have my clean? Let's get my clean.
Yeah?
Okay. Can I have my clean? Here you go. Cut there. And my clean home. And quite in now, quite in. Whoa! Wow!
What do you want?
What do you want? Wow! Wow! Did you know?
Yeah?
I'm glad I'm going to see you from next time. I'm glad I'm going to see you next time. Did you know?
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm going to see you from me for next time.
Your next card.
Next time.
It's in the purse.
And I'm glad I'm going to see you from me next time.
Next time.
And I'm glad I'm going to see you. And I'm glad I'm going to see you. I'm going to see you.
Uh-huh.
And I'm glad I'm going to see you for you.
Okay.
And I'm glad I'm going to see you for next time.
Mm-hmm.
With my shit, okay? Okay, go. Hungry next time. Hungry next time. Hungry again next time. From my message here and my shit stuff.
So,
Cheers, thank you now. We can come off some
cheers.
Thank you. Cheers. Sorry. Tôi khen chúng ta ăn khen cái quyền trước mà cái nào khen chúng ta ăn khen quyền trước mà
Good customer.
trước mà
Lucy's a good customer.
không phải so one can share man khen của mình khen chúng ta
Yeah.
one can share man khen cái này
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
one can share man khen
You're welcome.
Sorry. Take off inside into what? And I will take my thing and have it until next one. What? Okay, to the house. Then she go. That's the local song. That's the local song. Thank you. Nothing. And how? Oh, no, can't be. Yeah. Don't get mine. Okay. Okay, go ahead. I hand him from a company after that. And go. We're going to home. Into my house. Uncle him my microphone. Uncle him my iPhone for me. Just not mine. Mine case okay, can't call me. No. Mine case okay, can't call me. So not that day, mine and I'm getting it. Okay. Okay. He's no congratulations. Time of mine, uncle I've grown and what to do and my kind of grand. Can I can and I found it last year from the iPhone of Apple. One I didn't think I need to get from here. Okay, from here. Go. Hopefully, I'll come. What's new?
Other than me.
One thing. I found something. You can my son was sick, and no cake. And no, one continue for you know, cup. Okay. And can't see that. And then got mine. And still thinking. Okay. But thinking,
Yeah.
I don't want this one so on Christmas. Okay, right? I don't want this one so on Christmas. Right?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Because I don't want this one so on Christmas. Did you know?
Yeah.
Oh, this is why this one so on Christmas. Did you know?
Yeah.
I think why this one so on Christmas. Did you know? To me, I don't think why this one so on Christmas. But yeah. No, to me,
Yeah, Lucy.
I don't why I'm losing sign on one so Christmas now, right?
But next time, there's no money this
I'm
time.
looking next time.
Okay?
If you can grant you can hold. So, anyway. One time congrats again. One time congrats again. One time congrats. One
I
time.
don't know.
Then next time? No. I'm not going to do that to you. Okay. I'm just going okay? Can I see on train here? Sorry. Can I watch the train right here into the new outside and then to watch the
Have your
train.
tea. Lucy?
Yeah?
Lucy, come down and have your tea.
Okay. And then to watch the train outside Market Didcot Food Co.
Okay.
We're going to go. And then to watch the train right here
Yeah, that's fine. You can do
into
that.
outside the new
That's okay. We can do
and
that, Lucy.
into outside and the next year. The training what? Until train like why? I can tell you what I'm trying right now. Rồi. Xe không sẵn. Xe mà thường đang quay map.
Enjoy your tea.
Quay chậm. Xe enjoy. Tôi kể từ đó anh cho quyền quan khá trực tiếp customer. Tôi kể từ đó anh cho quyền quan khá trực tiếp customer và anh có hát của khổ. In my whole life, okay. Can't get my, get you. Not that enough. Fantastic. Okay. I'm not going to now. Yeah, go. Okay. Oh, I'm finished.
Okay, now relax for a minute.
You
Take your camera
My camera.
and you can film.
My camera. I'm filming again. Yeah, sure, man. Okay. And the camera that's my chin to you to take it home from me. My chin, and then get myself my chin, pressure from me to come. That's that. I don't quite, I mean, my chin to okay. So, okay. Wow. Thật mới cận bà. Look, I can stand my top. I can stand my next compliment. I can stand my next compliment of the scanner. Did you know? I stand my next compliment. And kind of try and look like petition one here. Okay. Well, okay. Alright, no me. I'm finished now. Okay. Kind of over here. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, thank you. Bye. Thank you, chicken and chicken. Chicken. Let's go for that. Okay. I'm going to. Thank you, chicken and chicken. Chicken. Let's go for that. One. I have to go. Five. Something to know. Okay, so one to buy. Okay, now come on.
Are we going to put the cakes in the cut and you're going to fill some trays?
Okay.
Lucy, this way. Where are you going?
I'm going to open my door. Okay. No, don't talk. Go. One. That's me in my case. Okay. That's me in my case. Fine. Enjoy into my chocolate purple cake for me today. And take this here at the old. There's one Didcot or signature. You can open and now open in the open. You can open and now open the in 2005. You can open the first one of Didcot or signature. It's the great segment and all the other shops there. Okay, okay. Stay open about last 14 years ago in 2005 with me, Carol and Jerry and Carol, old America car, today, national teacher, driveway on his concept. Everyone husband. He's done all his messenger. Not going to say, it's going to his messenger. It's not a car, if I say. It's not a car, it's an inside car. From 100% on his message to tell his car on his one. No matter what. Okay, sorry. Okay, enjoy information from today and secrets that mentioned below with a car. Okay, sorry. Okay. I get from my money to pay for my cash to go to my time to get done with it. It's just done. Shut up, listen. Okay, sorry. Okay, what's up? Enjoy information. Shut up. Therefore, came from the particular. Something that I think. Thank you. Color, particular in her car. And enjoy. I'm finished. Look, I'm finished now. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. I'll come.